Hello there, everyone. My name is Dr. Yasir Aqil, and today I'm going to talk about something that's extremely important in making sure that you get to your goals and you get there further and you get there faster, and that is confidence. Now, confidence is something that we always perceive as to be attributed to someone who's done this before. So, confidence is attributed to people who've done it before, which means that they have rehearsed it before. And that is primarily the reason why they are able to perceive themselves as being able to do it, number one. And number two, this energy, this perception is their projection to the world, and the world also can sense this in the way they walk, in the way they talk, in the way they just move and they carry themselves. And this is primarily because this characteristic instills the fact that this is possible and this individual can make this happen. So how does it happen? And what are the factors that contribute to your confidence? So you see, even in the most confident of people, there is always that 1% element or that 0.0001% element of doubt. And that is called nervousness. Everyone and anyone that has ever been in a situation that is not just brand new, but they've done it multiple times before, but the stakes are high and something or someone relies on them to be able to deliver this, has that 1% nervousness. Now, what professional athletes do right before a game is this is a little trip that I tell my kids right before an exam, because you're nervous and you're scared and you have this energy inside you and you're bottled up and you don't know what to do, and this is not allowing you to think, and it's not allowing you to be confident about what you already know and how you're going to be able to perform in the exam. So athletes, especially elite athletes, they stand in a corner and they tell themselves, I'm just excited. I'm just excited. Try it out. Go ahead. Next time you're nervous, whatever it is, whether it's a job interview or a game or something that you professionally need to get done, you go ahead and instead of telling yourself that you're nervous, you go ahead and tell yourself, I'm just excited. I'm just excited, because your brain will perceive the things and create your reality as to what you need it to be and what you feed it to be. The most important part is what you feed it to be. So your reality, whether it's nervousness or excitement, is how you create that reality for yourself. Number two, a lot of people have done a lot of things and achieved a ton of achievements in their life. However, they face something called imposter syndrome. Now, this is a format of a lack of confidence or a self-doubt that they have inside. Really? Have I really done that much? I don't think so. And it's called imposter syndrome. Now, what you want to do is, for that, you want to write down every single day gratitude. Write down what are the things that you are thankful for. Make sure that you write it down with a pencil or a pen on a piece of paper. Don't write it down on a laptop or on a screen that you have near you. It's something that I'm shooting with my phone. Don't write it down over there, because what you write is what you invite. You can feel it, you can see it, and then only can you experience it completely. And every night before you go to bed, write down the things that you are grateful for. And not just the big things that you're grateful for, the big house that you have and the big salary that you have, or the multiple 7-figure business that you're running, or the 8-figure business that you're running. No. Sure, go ahead and do that. However, what you want to do is write gratitude for the smallest things as well. And what that will allow you to do is that you will start to appreciate everything that you have and everything that you have achieved during that day. Every single time you ask yourself, or someone asks you, how was your day? Don't say, it was like this or it was like that. Always ask yourself, what was I able to achieve today? What was I able to achieve for myself today? And these are the questions that you want to answer to yourself in the middle of right before you go to sleep, so that this will instill the kind of confidence and the kind of self-realization that you need in order to go further, faster. Now, you have a great day ahead. Make sure you practice these tips and give me some feedback. I'll be more than happy to address those and learn from that as well. Bye-bye now.